dawn of the personal drone era is finally here, and it is smaller, faster, and more capable than anything we have ever seen in the history of consumer aviation. Forget everything you thought you knew about flight because the DJI Neo 3 is not just another upgrade. It is a total paradigm shift in how we capture our own lives. From the moment you take it out of the box, you realize this is not a tool for professional cinematographers or hobbyists who spend hours calibrating settings. This is a device for the storytellers, the adventurers, and the creators who refuse to let the best moments of their lives slip away because they were too busy behind a camera lens. Picture this. You are hiking through a mountain range as the sun begins to dip below the horizon, painting the sky in colors that no photograph can truly capture. Instead of fumbling with heavy gear, worrying about gimbal balance, or needing a remote controller that takes up half your backpack, you simply toss the Neo 3 into the air. It wakes up instantly, locks onto your face, and begins to chronicle your journey with the smooth, cinematic precision of a Hollywood film crew. This is not just automation. This is intelligent flight that understands human movement, anticipating where you are going before you even arrive. When we talk about the technical prowess packed into this ultralight frame, the numbers do not even tell the full story. DJI has somehow managed to fit a sensor suite into the Neo 3 that defies the laws of physics. We are looking at an image pipeline that processes data at lightning speeds, delivering color science that rivals cameras 10 times its size. Whether you are sprinting through a dense forest or gliding over a crystal-clear lake, the stabilization algorithms are working in the background to ensure that your footage remains buttersmooth, even in conditions that would make traditional drones crash and burn. But the real magic of the Neo 3 is the freedom it grants the user. Because it is so compact, it does not carry the social stigma of a massive, noisy quadcopter. It flies with the subtlety of a bird, making it the perfect companion for street photography, urban exploration, or intimate social gatherings where you want to capture the energy without disrupting the atmosphere. You are no longer the person standing on the sidelines. You are actively involved in the action, with your own personal camera assistant ensuring that every angle is covered from the most flattering perspective. Safety and reliability are often the biggest concerns for potential drone owners, but the Neo 3 changes that narrative entirely. With its advanced obstacle avoidance array, the drone acts like it has a subconscious, navigating tight gaps and avoiding obstacles with human-like reflexes. You can fly with total confidence, knowing that the intelligent flight battery is constantly communicating with the system to ensure you have enough juice to return home safely. It is a level of security that allows you to push your creative boundaries further than ever before because the fear of a crash is effectively removed from the equation. Let's talk about the user interface, or rather, the lack of one. DJI has leaned into a seamless ecosystem where the drone connects to your smartphone, your headset, or even acts completely autonomously. You have total control when you want it, and complete independence when you don't. For the content creator, this means you can generate high-quality 4K vertical content for social media in seconds, with the drone automatically handling the framing and lighting. You are spending less time in post-production and more time living your life, which is exactly how technology should function. There is a